Are you tired of your wig sliding back? Or maybe you already have a wig grip and it still doesn't stay in place. Wait till you hear about the revolutionary Grip-A-Fix made by Wig Guru. This will change your wig wearing experience. I'm Chaya G, wig wearer, wig stylist, wig expert, wig educator. And here on this channel, that's exactly what we do. So go ahead, subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go dive into the Grip-A-Fix. So let's take a closer look at the Grip-A-Fix. It's basically a velvet band. You have the lace material for if you have a lace top transparent wig on the top that will not show through underneath. And you have the adjustable closure in the bottom and the elastic, so it can adjust bigger and smaller. Now, the great features about this grip is the silicone lining that it has on the top. This is what's going to come in contact with the wig itself, and it gives it an extra layer of grip for the wig aside from just that velvet material. The other option that I absolutely love is the Velcro that is on the underside of the wig, and this comes in contact with your bio hair underneath. This is a game changer in my opinion. Now, no Get a Grip video would ever be complete without my wearing my nylon wig cap, just to give my own coverage of my hair, as a cover for religious reasons. But here we have the try-on where you can actually see how it is supposed to fit. Now, something about the silicone is it's not just a small piece of the silicone that's going to grip onto the wig, but it extends all the way to the sides, down, even behind your ears. So this is a great addition because, again, it gives it that extra contact with the wig to keep it in place. The Velcro is actually sitting on the underside of my hair right now. The first time I ever put it on, I felt the Velcro pieces kind of poking into my head. It did not make me feel itchy in any way. It was a feeling that I noticed. Now, for somebody who is uber sensitive and sensory, this might be something that can get in the way of them really enjoying this feature, but I would tell you, please try it, because even me wearing it now for half an hour to shoot this video, I barely feel it anymore. It's a feeling that is going away over time, kind of similar to putting on a wig for the first time. When you first put it on, you feel this thing on your head. The more you're wearing it, the easier it gets. The reason why this Velcro is excellent for a wig grip is because when sometimes based on a person's circumference of their head or their head shape or where they're placing the grip and where they're placing their wig, sometimes what happens is throughout the day, the wig grip itself can slide back. Here with the Grip-A-Fix and the Velcro underneath, it keeps the wig grip in place. So my wig is not sliding back because my wig grip is not sliding back. This is huge, especially for me with my wig, which I'm going to put on in a minute. I wear my wig starting a little bit further back because I blend in the front portion of my hair. Now, usually if I'm wearing a wig grip and starting it further back, within 10-15 minutes, I'm losing my wig grip and my wig is coming off with it. Here with the Grip-A-Fix, I could start it further back. I could blend the front portion of my hair like I usually do, and it's not moving. Here, if you could see me through my hair, I already started the Grip-A-Fix further back. And you see I'm losing my nylon cap because I put that further back, but the Grip-A-Fix is totally staying in place. It's not budging because the Velcro is stuck onto my hair. Now, let's get my wig on quick before I lose my cap. Here we go. All right, just in time. Now, of course, this portion that I do without the mirror, lost my comb, 1 minute. There we go. So I cannot see what I'm doing. Gonna go based on feeling here. How do I look? Let me know in the comments. Getting my wig in place here. You'll see I could play with it and push my hair from side to side, and with normally now my wig would be on the floor and my wig is not budging at all. So this Grip-A-Fix is no joke. And one thing to keep in mind is when removing the wig grip, the Velcro is kind of stuck in between your hair. So the way to remove it safely is by holding the hair in front of the Velcro and lifting it up and away gently. When I did this, I didn't find that any hair got pulled out. You just kind of have to keep some of the hair down so it shouldn't pull away with the Velcro. I've linked it all in the description below, all the contact information for Wig Guru. You can DM them directly through their Instagram account. There's a link for WhatsApp messaging. I've included their email address where you can direct order from them as well. You want to try this and let me know how you love it. I'm Chaya G. Thanks for watching Get a Grip with the Grip-A-Fix by Wig Guru. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. More videos coming your way, more product reviews, more wig tips, all wig everything here with Chaya G. Thanks for watching.